Today we are going to learn how to create a podcast using a software called Audacity. In order to record a podcast, you have to make a few hardware settings. The foremost is to ensure that you have the mic or the microphone connected to the computer. For checking whether the microphone is connected to the computer and it is able to record, you click on the volume icon that you see in the bottom right corner of your screen. The mouse pointer, as you see here, is pointing to the loudspeaker kind of an icon. You double click on that, and under the mic you check the button, check the checkbox here, and then you can just cross it off. Now you see I have a shortcut for the software Audacity. I double click on that. The user interface of Audacity is pretty simple. Whenever you want to start recording, you have to click this button, and when you want to stop the recording, you have to click this button. Now we'll record a short podcast, and we'll see how we can give some basic effects to it. When I want to start recording, I'll be clicking this button of record here, so I'll start it now. And as you see, the sound is being recorded here, as you can see from here. And when I want to stop it, I just click on this button. If I want to play it back, I'll zoom in so that the entire recording fits into a window. For doing so, I go to the view menu and say fit in window. You see the entire recording has fitted into a single window. I click at the beginning and then I play it again. I have to have the speakers on to see what I have recorded. And as you see, the sound is being recorded here. So I confirm that the sound has been recorded. Now, in order to give this recording some effect, you have to select the portion of the recording to which you want to give the effect. Now, if I want to give an effect to the entire recording piece, I do a edit select all so that the entire thing is selected, and I'll now give it effect. I'll change the pitch of it. Normally I change it by -4 to adjust my voice, and if I play it back again, you can see the difference. As you see, the sound is being recorded here, as you can see from here. And when I want to stop it, I just click on this. So what we saw here was some basic recording and giving a basic effect of changing a pitch. Normally this would be sufficient for a basic level of a podcast. Once you have recorded the sound, you need to export it to a MP3 file. For doing so, you go to File and say Export as MP3, and you give some file name, and when you click Save, the file would be exported. So let's actually do that. Say test. When you click Save, the sound is exported, and thus the podcast is created. You can just close it off. I wouldn't be saving the changes to this project because I've already exported the MP3 file, so I click on No, and I go to the folder where I had saved this MP3 test. As you see, I click it, and as you see, the sound is being recorded. So we actually created a podcast through Audacity, saved it into an MP3 file, and played the MP3 file back again.